Good morning to all of you, my dear children.
Good
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so we studied LCM, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give some more questions for you today. After
Ma'am.
that, I'll teach HCF. Okay, one question I have given you 24 and 90, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our question was find the LCM of
24 and
24 and 90. 24 and 90. So 24 and 90 we will write like this and draw a box or line, division sign. Now watch carefully whether these are even numbers. That is our first step, whether these are even numbers. Unit digit is even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So are these even numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can divide by 2. Okay, children. Divide by 2. Okay. So 24 divided by 2. That is half of 24. Half of 24. How much?
12. 12.
12. And
12,
what about
12
45,
and
90?
30.
90 divided by 2.
30.
45.
If you do not know,
Ma'am,
you divide
45.
90 by 2,
Ma'am,
you will get the answer.
Ma'am, 45.
30.
Correct. Divide by 2, children. Divided by 2.
Ma'am, 45.
Yes,
45, half of 90.
40.
Ma'am,
Sorry. Sorry.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I did the first one with 3 because
Who told
24
you to do like that?
3 into 8 is 24
Who
and
told
3
you to
into
do like that? Hello, Francis. Is it Francis?
yes, ma'am.
Francis, first you have to try with 2. Then you go for 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. You will
Okay,
get the
ma'am.
answer, but you do it in an order always. Okay. So 45.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next one, 12 and 45. Anyway, that 5 comes, we cannot divide by 2. Divide by 2. So,
Ma'am, can I do this also?
yes, yes. So, 4 and 15. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Again, any common number is there?
No, ma'am.
Any common number is there, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now what we'll do is, we will divide by 2
Right.
itself.
2 first.
So,
Then, then you'll get 2 and then 15.
2 and this bring down this 15 like that itself. Okay. Again with the 2. Again
And then
with the
we'll
2.
do
What will you get?
1 and 15.
1 and 15. Okay. 1 and 15. Now this 15 we have to divide.
By
Which
5.
number? By 5 or by 3?
5.
1 and 5. Again with the 5. So 1
5.
and 1. Now our process over. Okay, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
divide by 2, 3 and 5. Clear? Clear, children? You
Yes,
understand? So what is LCM? What is LCM?
Lowest common multiple.
So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply and find out the answer.
Ma'am, 360.
360 is our answer. 360.
I'm finished.
Mm. Listen, children, the procedure, least prime number, divide by the least prime number. Okay, divide by the least prime number. And continue this till we have no multiples of 2. Divide by the next prime number, which is 3. Then divide the next prime number, which is 5. Like that, clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall we continue now? Other questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is this question number 3? LCM, which is the question number?
Question number 3. I mean 4.
Question number 4. Find the LCM of, find the LCM of 20 and 30. Find the LCM of 20 and 30. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Divide the least prime number. That is our procedure. Least prime number. Divide the least. So when you see this, you will understand that you can divide by 10 because it is 20 and 30 multiples of 10. But don't divide by 10. It is prime factorization. Divide by least prime number. Start with 2.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, finish.
I'm finished.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, children. Which number you divided first?
2.
2. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. 20 and 30. So you have a tendency to divide it by 10. But don't divide, we have to start with the least prime number. So 2. So write the half of it. 10
10,
and 15.
15.
Clear, children? Now which number will you divide?
By 2.
5. 2 you can divide but only one number. So better select by the
5.
by 5 because we can divide two numbers together. So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
a common number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 and 3. Now it is reduced to much.
2 and 3.
2
Now
and
it's
3. 2, 1, 3.
And 3.
1, 3, 3,
And
1.
3, 1, 1. Okay. So our LCM is
2 into 5 into
5
5
into 2 into 3.
60.
60. Yes. Who did not get? Anyone is there who did not get the answer?
No, ma'am.
Oh, Vrisa, Aaron, Namaste,
I got-
Abhiday, Ashish. You can ask me the doubts. Any doubts you have, you can ask me because this LCM you need for higher classes also. For all these studies, you need LCM. Okay. Do not know, it will be difficult for you to understand all the other things. Okay, children, I'll give now 5 numbers. Okay, sorry, 3 numbers. It is question number 5, I think. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the LCM of. Find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. 20, 25 and 30. Okay, children, listen here, listen. 20, 25 and 30. Listen, you got 2 numbers. So you can select the prime number which we can divide by any 2 numbers. Clear, children?
Ma'am,
Ah.
5.
Listen, children. Any 2 numbers, at least 2 numbers you can select. It is not necessary that all the 3 numbers you can divide, all the 3 numbers. So if you cannot divide all the 3 numbers, you select the number which we can divide by at least 2 numbers. Okay. So just check. Can we divide this by 2? Any 2 numbers can we? We'll start with the 2 itself. Any 2 numbers can we divide?
20 and 30.
And 30 and 20.
10. So 20 and 30 we can divide.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. So 20, now 25 bring down like that itself. Then 30, it is 15. Again, now any number we can divide these 3 numbers or at least 2 numbers.
5.
5. With the 5 we can divide all the 3 numbers. So select
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
So 10.
So 2, 5
5
and 3.
3.
Clear. Now it is all prime numbers 2, 5 and 3. Now you can start dividing one by one. Take 2, 1, 5 and 3. Next you take 5,
5.
1, 1 and 3. Now only 3 is remaining. 3, 1, 1 and 1. So select the number which you can divide at least 2 numbers.
At least. Can you do the LCM?
Now do the LCM. LCM equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 5 is 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then again one more 10. 2 into 5 10. 5 into, then 10 into, again 2 into 5 10. Clear? This is 10. And this also 10. and 3. What is the answer, children, now?
300.
300.
300.
300.
Harriet, you are under you have any problem to understand? No. Now I'll give one question to you. With these 3 numbers itself. Question number 6. Question number 6. Find the LCM of Shri Rudra. You came just now only, right? Shri Rudra, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And children, today we have remedial class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Just
So roll number 1 to 15 at 5:30.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
5:40 my sister has class.
Yes, children.
Ma'am, my sister has class, ma'am.
At what time?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5:40.
my 2 sisters is having class.
5:30 your sister has class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing, Francis, you come for the next batch at 6 o'clock. Roll number
I will try
15
it on
and
my
roll.
batch, ma'am. I will
Yes?
try it. I will ask her, can you leave that class and give me
Okay. First, if you cannot come for the first batch, you can come for the second batch.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, children, will you do it?
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
the numbers which we can divide. Prime number which we can divide by at least 2.
48,
excuse me, ma'am.
45, 2, 20.
Ma'am, can you share the screen once more? Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, children.
no, ma'am.
1 minute. Did you finish it?
I finished.
See, children, we have a class at 10:45, right?
45. Yes, ma'am.
On board 7. Shall I give you some more questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after finishing this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. I'm finished.
Let the others also do. I will explain. Sri Rudra. Sri Rudra. Sri Rudra.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, okay. Shall I start dividing by 2? Because 2 numbers we can divide by 2. 40 and 48, 2 even numbers. Okay. So,
Ma'am.
20 is
20,
20 and 48 is?
24.
24.
Children, if you cannot divide, you divide it by on the working column. Normal division. It is all normal division, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you divide it in the working column and write the answer. No problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
24
Okay, ma'am.
and 45 bring down like that.
45.
And 2
Again,
Again with 2.
by 2.
and
10,
12,
22, and 45.
45.
Okay.
Again you can divide by 2. Again you can divide by 2. 5,
5.
6 and 45. And children here, just see, you can divide it by 5. Now you can start dividing by 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is clear that you can divide it by 5. 1, 6, 9. Now look at here, children. Any common number is there with the 6 and 9?
No, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 3.
3.
3. So 1, 2,
1, 2,
and
3.
3. Now there is all prime numbers. 2, 1, 1, 3.
3.
Again you can divide by 3.
3.
1, 1, 1. So LCM is 2 into
2,
2 into 2 into 5 into
5
3 into 2 into 3. Multiply.
720.
Ma'am, 720.
Ah,
720.
yes, yes, yes. Answer is 720.
Homework questions.
Okay, children. I'll give some homeworks for not homeworks. By the time you come for the next period, 10:45, you should do this.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to erase it. Okay?
Okay.
Wait, ma'am. 1 minute, 1 minute.
I'll scroll the board. I'll scroll the board. See? And here I will write. 1 minute. Okay? Homework. Find the LCM itself. Find the LCM of 9 and 4. 12 and 5.
3.
6 and 5. 15 and 4. Okay, 2 numbers each. Okay, children? 9 and 4, 12 and 5, 6 and 5, 15 and 4. Okay?
Answer.
Okay, children? So do the homework and come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Can you show the
So,
board?
not homework, 10:45.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
show
ma'am.
it again?
Yes, I'll show the board.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, do the work and come.